How to make a contact card on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Contacts and tap on it. You are now in the Contacts settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, manage Siri and search, and customize how contacts appear. Scroll down and go to My Info at the bottom. Here, tap on New Contact as shown. Over here, you can now add in the new contact details, such as the first and last name, photo, number, company, email, address, birthday, social profile, and many more. You can change the ringtone and text tone for this contact if you want. You can also add in a note in the Notes section. If you want to add another field, then tap on Add Field at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily make a contact card on iPhone.